So today we are trying some new Kit Kats and many different types of chocolate bars. This one is from Japan, and it is a limited edition one. It is the Sakura Japanese Sake, so that'll be interesting. We got a ruby Kit Kat with the ruby cocoa. That'll be really interesting. Got a cream brulee from Lindt. Got a line bar, which I believe is from the UK.
Yes, Nestle.
Got a Kit Kat Chunky, salted caramel fudge. Take 5 bar. And a Whisper Gold from Cadbury. They're all interesting. Which one would you like to try first?
Let's try the lion.
All right. Looks like a. What a. Ooh, it's white chocolate. Wow. That looks interesting. This is a line bar. It's an interesting texture.
Not bad.
It's quite good actually.
Which one would you like to do next, Justin?
Next, we'll try the Ruby Kit Kat. Wow, that is quite the color.
Very red. Pink.
Look at that. Wow, that is very pink.
Very nice.
That's interesting.
Interesting.
There's a fruity flavor for sure. White chocolate fruity flavor. Not bad. Which one would you like to try, Adam?
Let's do the take 5.
Oh my. Perfect. It's an interesting one, the take 5. Salty. Peanut buttery.
Sweet.
Not bad.
And which one would you like to try next?
Let's try this Kit Kat Chunky. Salted caramel fudge. Wow. It has a caramel smell to it. That's good. Not bad.
At all.
Not bad at all.
I think we should try. Let's try the creme brulee by Lindor.
That'll be good. Oh, it's a pretty big piece there.
Not bad.
Quite sweet. Very sweet. Wow. Sweet overload. Oh. We will try this limited edition Japanese one now. You can only get these in Japan, and they won't be around very long, so that would be great to try. One for you, one for me. Neat little packaging it comes in.
Oh my, it's pink.
It's very milky pink. Wow. Wow, that is fragrant. Wow. It smells like a flower. In comparison to this ruby, there is quite a difference in the colors here. Wow. What did you think of it, Adam?
Yeah. So.
Tastes like a cherry, right?
A little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Not my favorite yet.
That's not my favorite yet.
Alright, our very last one is Whisper. This is a chocolate bar from the UK as well.
Yeah, this is very fragrant. Wow. Oh my, that's very rich.
Caramely.
Very caramely. Wow. Oh, look at that. Same.
Not bad.
It's different. Very mild. Don't really taste much more than caramel in there. Now we're going to try the crushed birch beer. It will be different. Ooh, wow, look at that.
It's pink.
That is quite the color there. Probably. That is very pink. Wow. Very nice.
Very pink.
Very nice.
Cream soda tasting.
Very cream soda. Mild, though. Not bad at all. What was your favorite chocolate bar, Adam?
I like the Kit Kat.
Which Kit Kat?
Salted caramel.
Salted caramel?
Yeah.
I'd say my favorite was the Lion Bar.
And the lime. That's number.
This one right here, the white chocolate Lion Bar. That was the best.
Yes.
Really good. Nice flavor there. I'd say my least favorite one would be the creme brulee by Lindt. It was just too sweet, as well as this. This one was not very good either. Not my favorite.
My least favorite was the Kit Kat soggy.
Yeah?
Yes.
What's that?
It's too florally.
It was very floral flavoring.
Yes. And cut.
If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and we will post more videos. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you.